What if I told you that the secret to transforming your entire life doesn't lie in one big breakthrough, but in the small, everyday habits you repeat consistently? Most people overestimate what they can do in a day, but underestimate what they can achieve in a year if they have the right habits. In this video, I'll share 7 powerful, science-backed habits that can dramatically improve your productivity, happiness, and success. Stay with me until the end, because even adopting just one of these habits could completely shift the direction of your life. Habit number 1. Start your day with intention. Most people wake up and immediately check their phone. The problem? Your day begins with other people's priorities, not your own. To change your life, you must start each morning with clarity. Write a short to-do list, or practice gratitude for 5 minutes. Right after waking up, write down 3 things you're grateful for, and 1 important goal for the day. This small practice sets the tone for success. Habit number 2. Read every day. The world's most successful people share a common habit. They read. Warren Buffett, Bill Gates, Elon Musk, all are voracious readers. Reading opens your mind to new perspectives, sharpens decision-making, builds knowledge. Even 20 minutes of reading daily means you'll finish 12 to 15 books in a year. That's like having dozens of mentors guiding you for free. Dedicate 20 minutes daily to reading, morning, lunch, or before bed. Habit number 3. Move your body. A healthy body leads to a healthy mind. Exercise releases endorphins, making you energized, focused, and motivated. But exercise doesn't always mean gym. Walking, yoga, stretching, anything that gets you moving counts. Commit to at least 20 to 30 minutes of movement every single day. Habit number 4. Learn to prioritize. We confuse being busy with being productive. The difference lies in prioritization. Use the Eisenhower matrix to separate urgent tasks from important ones. At the end of the day, it's not about doing more tasks. It's about doing the tasks that truly matter. Each night before bed, write down your number 1 priority for the next day. Make sure it gets done before anything else. Habit number 5. Practice mindfulness. Stress and anxiety come from living in the past or worrying about the future. Mindfulness brings you back to the present moment. You don't need to meditate for hours. Deep breathing or mindful eating can shift your mindset. Spend 5 minutes daily without your phone. Just breathe deeply, observe your thoughts. Bring your focus back to the present. Habit number 6. Build strong relationships. Life isn't only about achievements, it's about people. A Harvard study spanning 75 years found the biggest factor for long-term happiness is strong relationships. Friends, family, mentors, nurture them. Schedule at least 1 meaningful conversation each week with someone you value. Habit number 7. Consistency over perfection. Perfectionism kills progress. Many give up on building habits because they chase perfection. But success comes from showing up consistently. 10 minutes of daily exercise is more impactful than 1 perfect 2-hour session that you quit after a week. Start small. Do a little each day, and let momentum build naturally. Closing. These 7 habits can truly transform your life. Remember, habits aren't built overnight. They're formed through patience and consistency. If it feels overwhelming, don't adopt all 7 at once. Just pick 1 habit and start today. Over time, these small steps create massive change. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which of these 7 habits will you start first? Let me know in the comments. And if you found value in this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and stay tuned, because I'll be sharing more life-changing strategies in the next videos.